I don't have any idea where this fits into any food pyramid ever.
Nothing tastes as good as skinny feels. Feeling really, really, really fat feels better than anything really skinny tastes. So take that, Kate Moss. When you smoke a pork butt, you typically have enough to feed 10 to 15 people, 20 if they don't eat a lot. So if you only have 1 or 2 people in your household, you have to look for creative ways to serve it. Introduce to you the Swine Spudinator. Basically, the Swine Spudinator is a twice-baked potato with a big, huge core of pulled pork. And I'm always looking for new vessels to transport the pork from the smoker to my pie hole, or in this case, tater hole. Don't worry about keeping the skin pristine. Just make sure it holds a generous portion of pork on which to pack a potato mixture. This is a big ass potato that would feed a table of 3 to 4 for a tummy of 1.
This thing makes a traditional Thanksgiving dinner seem like a post-hot yoga snack.
And mash and mash and mash and mash until it's smooth. It looks like a standard run-of-the-mill loaded twice-baked potato, but don't be deceived. On the inside, it is loaded.
It is loaded.
The evil twins. These things weigh about 2 pounds apiece. You're just not looking at swimsuits anymore. This thing is not heart healthy. It's pork on pork. I actually had someone come by the other day and ask if I was a food stylist.
And sling it in the 375-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes.
Hi, I'm Tom Edwards, food stylist. That's my Porsche. Get off. I'm food styling. Alright? Say you're Tom Hanks in Castaway. I think once you got off that island, that you might think twice about eating this.
An alternative to pork on pork is just a nice downpour of barbecue sauce.
Give me that Jekyll Solo. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Tunes.